How did Japan, a country with a pacifist constitution, come to develop a sixth-generation stealth fighter jet? The answer lies in the genesis of the FX program. It all began with a pressing need to replace Japan's aging F-2 fleet. The FX program was born out of this necessity and represents the country's next-generation stealth fighter jet. This ambitious project is not a solo endeavor, but rather a collaborative effort between Japan's Ministry of Defense, the Acquisition, Technology and Logistics Agency, also known as ATLA, and various defense contractors. Among the key players are Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman. Together they are working to create a state-of-the-art aircraft, a twin-engine, multi-role stealth fighter with advanced sensors, networking capabilities and weapon systems. The FX program marks a significant leap in Japan's military aviation capabilities, a step towards a future where Japan's skies are patrolled by their very own next-generation stealth fighter. What sets the FX apart in the realm of military aviation? Well, the answer lies in its advanced capabilities. The FX is designed to be a game-changer, boasting state-of-the-art features that put it in a league of its own. First off, the FX is a master of disguise. Thanks to its stealth technology and unique design, it has a drastically reduced radar cross-section. This makes it harder to detect and track, providing a significant tactical advantage. Next, the FX goes beyond just stealth. It's also about intelligence gathering. Equipped with advanced sensors such as active electronically scanned array radar and infrared search and track systems, this aircraft can detect and monitor threats with unparalleled precision. But that's not all. The FX is a team player too. Its advanced networking capabilities allow it to share data with other aircraft and ground systems in real time. This increases situational awareness and enhances coordinated responses. And let's not forget its firepower. The FX is capable of carrying a variety of advanced weapons, including hypersonic missiles and precision-guided munitions. With these features, the FX is set to be a formidable force in the sky. Where does the FX program stand today? And what could it mean for Japan's future? Currently, the FX program is in full swing, with multiple Japanese defense contractors diligently working on this cutting-edge aircraft. The first flight is slated for the late 2020s, with operational deployment expected in the mid-2030s. But let's delve deeper into the broader implications. Japan's pacifist constitution has traditionally constrained the country's military capabilities. However, the development of the FX indicates a significant shift. This advanced stealth fighter could potentially alter the balance of power in the region, reaffirming Japan's commitment to its own defense and contributing to regional stability. Moreover, the FX could also help shape the evolving dynamics of the global arms market, with Japan potentially emerging as a major player in the defense industry. As we look towards the mid-2030s, the FX fighter jet could redefine Japan's role in global military aviation.